Today, we are going to be talking about plotting points on a coordinate grid. This is from the Grade 6, Unit 1, Lesson 5 in our textbook. Let's get into it. First, a coordinate grid is like a map that helps us locate points. It's made up of two lines that cross each other. This crossing point is called the origin, and its coordinates are 0 and 0. The horizontal line going from left to right is called the x-axis, and the vertical line going up and down is called the y-axis. To find a point on the grid, we use coordinates, also known as an ordered pair of numbers. These numbers tell us how far to move along the x-axis and the y-axis. The first number tells us how far to move along the x-axis, and the second number tells us how far to move along the y-axis. Remember, it's always x first, then y. So just to recap, we have the coordinate grid, which is our map, the origin, which is the starting point, the x-axis, which is the horizontal line, the y-axis, which is the vertical line, and coordinates, which are the ordered pairs that tell us where to find a point. Sometimes the numbers in our ordered pairs are large. When this happens, we use a scale on our coordinate grid. For example, 1 square on the grid would represent 5 units. If we want to plot point B, which has the ordered pair 10 and 30, we start at the origin. Since 1 square is 5 units, we move 2 squares to the right along the x-axis and 6 squares up along the y-axis. Here's our first practice question. Match each ordered pair with a letter on the coordinate grid. Remember to pause the video and try it on your own. Here are your answers. The ordered pair 1 and 5 are represented on the coordinate grid by the letter B. The next ordered pair, 5 and 1, are represented on the grid by the letter D. The ordered pair 0 and 7 are represented on the coordinate grid by the letter A. And finally, the last ordered pair, 7 and 0, are represented on the coordinate grid by the letter C. In this next question, you are asked to name the letter on the grid represented by each ordered pair. I encourage you to pause the video now and try this out on your own. Rejoin me when you're ready. Okay, let's get to the answers. The ordered pair 2 and 5 is represented on the coordinate grid by the letter E. The coordinates 6 and 7 are represented by the letter D. The ordered pair 1 and 4 are represented by the letter C. The ordered pair 9 and 6 are represented by the letter F. The next set of coordinates 7 and 2 are represented by the letter B. And finally, the last ordered pair 3 and 8 are represented by the letter A. That's all for now. Till next time.